Do you have bushes or trees that you just can't reach from the ground with your pruning shears? Well, this electric pruning shear from Jovant has a telescopic handle. It goes from 5'3" to 9'3", giving you almost 15 feet of reach if you're 6 foot tall. Compatible with the Jovant electric pruning tool, you just slot it onto the top. So this is like it's a battery, you pull it in here. Then the bottom here you slot your battery in, so you're just extending the distance between the battery and the pruning shear here. So we are at the shortest possible mode here, so we've got about 5'3" of reach compared to just using this by hand. This Jovant telescoping electric pruning shear extension is super durable, really easy to use. Really like this foam handle here. It's got the grip down the bottom here so you can easily control it from the ground. At the top end you've got a tilt and head, so you just press this button down and you can move it into different angles to make it easier to get the branches when you're reaching up into the tree, and then you can tilt it the other way. You can also take off the Jovant from the top here by pressing this red button. It'll slot off. Take your battery out the bottom, put this together, and then just use as a little handheld version. This is great for trimming bushes. Things that are within reach where you don't need to use a telescoping pole. This just makes it a multi-purpose tool so you can get things on the ground and things that are really high up. This does extend to 9'3". You just lift this red clip up here, pull this out, clip that back down, that's extended, and you want to go all the way to 9'3", pull this like this, and then lock it in place. And now you have a 9'3" extension to your pruning tool. And you have this little button here, so to use the tool you just press this button in, pull this twice, and it will unlock the shears at the other end. When you want to put it back in the safe mode, you just press this button in here and hold this down until you hear 2 beeps. This Jovant telescopic electric pruning shear makes clearing these branches super easy with its extendable arm. Really like this here for clearing those branches. Makes light work of it. It is a little bit heavier, but once you get it upright, it's so easy to use. So if you're in the market for an electric pruning shear and you need to get a little bit better reach, I really recommend this Jovant model here.